Hey everyone, it is Fun Fact Friday. Okay, so today I have diffuser recipes for you using Citrus Fresh and Purification. And I am in my son's room, so you can see I have Spidey here with me to give me input about the diffuser recipes. So here's a couple recommendations, but first I'm going to set up the diffuser because at the end we're going to do it. So this is the Desert Mist diffuser. There's this line that is right here, and it goes around, and that's what you want to fill your water up to. All diffusers have some sort of line or indication because you don't want to overfill a diffuser. I always put some witch hazel in my diffuser to help with hard water buildup. You can always use distilled water as well. So let's start with some recipes with Citrus Fresh. Citrus Fresh and Peace and Calming are amazing smelling, very restful and peaceful, but the Citrus Fresh gives it a nice pop. Then you have Stressaway and Citrus Fresh, and Stressaway and Citrus Fresh gives a very clean smell. That's just natural with Stressaway, I feel like, alone. Then you can do Citrus Fresh, Ylang Ylang, Lavender, and Geranium. So you can use 2 lavender, 2 geranium, 2 citrus fresh, and 1 ylang ylang. And that is an amazing, almost floral scent. Then we have Citrus Fresh, Thieves, and Lemon. So very clean. This is a great for kitchen or bathroom smell. It's an amazing combination. Then you can do Citrus Fresh, Peppermint, and Purification. So here we go. So Purification, Peppermint, and Citrus Fresh, great trio there. So now let's switch to Purification recipes. So you have Purification and Lavender. Great smell, clean. This is a good one for even outdoors. And remember, Purification has citronella in it. Then you can do Purification and Eucalyptus and Peppermint. This one is another great one to diffuse outdoors as well. Then Purification in Orange, very invigorating smelling. And then the last one is the one we're gonna put in the diffuser is Purification in Joy. I personally love Joy. It is one that I do use frequently, and the Purification helps ground the floral smell of Joy quite a bit. So I did 3 drops of Purification, 1 of Joy, and then remember, all about diffusing is how you like the smells. So you use more drops if you want it stronger, less drops if you want it a little bit lighter. If you're doing a big space, you do more drops. So maybe you'll use 5 to 10 drops and like total. And then in a small space, maybe you only use 3 to 5. But it really is depending on you and the smell that you want. So you put the lid on, the first lid, then this one, and then you're gonna press the button. And this diffuser is awesome because it can go continuous, intermittent, but it changes different colors. So candlelight, we have red, orange, different colors, and blues. So that's fun for the boys in their room. Now, let's talk about something I'm excited about that I have attached to the bottom of this, and that is a link to do a personality test to see what oil Young Living says that your spirit is most like. Now, it's just a fun thing to click through and see. You answer some simple questions, and it gives you the oil that it matched with. Now, I did it, and I got Citrus Fresh, which was fun because that's the oil we're on. And my husband did it, and he got Citrus Fresh. And then I tried to get Samuel to do it. It's a little hard because some of the questions are all over his head. But with what he picked, we got Thieves. So it was just a fun little test. But comment down below and let me know what your personality oil is. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.